What's up, guys? Thank you for bearing with the wait. We got Mr. Handpay. Things are going to look a little different here because we got hit with the tornado in Houston, and the house is out of power, out of internet. So I am in a new location for a few days, just to hold me by. But man, I have been itching to get back. We got Mr. Handpay here on deck at Des Plaines, Illinois, the Rivers Casino, and we're going to be playing some high limit blackjack. Looks like we've got $20,000 buy-in. Dealer's going to stand on all 17s, and we're going to have some fun. Looks like we got a good time ahead of us, you guys. Like always, like, subscribe, go to Mr. Handpay's channel, go give him support, and hopefully the audio is going to be okay, but we'll deal with it. Hopefully it's just a couple days, and then we'll get back into it. Enough with the chit-chat. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Taking a peek? Yeah, we'd love to see it. 10. Okay.
Ace.
All right. Good luck. Good luck. I need it. I will need some black, please. Yes.
So first hand, $1,000.
All right, so we're gonna start out with $1,000, $1,100 bet, 100 on the side.
Right off the bat, let's go. I've been itching, guys. Let's have some fun.
Add them together, you get 21.
Double down. I'm just messing.
And this will be 23.
Oh, I hate that first hand. I always hate that first hand.
All right, $700, single hand. Close. People like me to double this. I just don't want to see a 2. Anything else I'll take. 13 and a bust.
Nice.
Very lucky. So if I would have just hit that, I would have hit it again, I would have busted. Sometimes it's better just to take the single card.
Or you just hit it and stay, I guess. I mean, it's kind of, yeah.
And then
I'll
you
be done in
second
about
guess
20
everything.
minutes.
All right, we'll do our lucky $1,200 bet.
Mr. Handpay is notorious for the good luck, and I believe entry slot's the same. Ugh, with a 13 against an ace, gross.
Ace, no thank you. Loser.
Okay, we need to talk, Daniel.
Yeah, we gotta talk
We
this
need to
one out.
talk.
Gotta get back on track here.
So today for our other sessions, we just have not been able to get on a streak. That's the problem. $1,000 in a single hand.
Cards come in strings, man. You get that streak going.
I just don't want to see the ace this time.
9, 11, 14, and a bust.
How did that
Nice.
happen?
He wants to make
If that's the dealer
It's working.
pulling out the numbers like that while he's dealing,
Daniel's reset.
2 thumbs way up. 2 thumbs way up.
$1,300 on the single hand.
Again, you guys, I apologize if the audio is really bad. I will get that fixed.
Every time I have a 12.
Let's see if he would have stayed.
I would have saved the 10 for this time. That would have been better.
He's still firing strong with that 1,000. My guy, applaud him for that.
The $1,000 bets, that's all it wins.
Insurance over. Insurance broke.
Just take it. I lost.
8, 18, 18.
That's a win.
That is a
Nice. Oh, 2 hands. I like it.
All right, 1,500 per hand. 2 hands of blackjack.
He wants to press. I can't blame him for that.
Driving Daniel.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, worked.
Yeah, we got some work, man.
Small. 20.
Okay.
Another small. 17.
Okay.
18.
Ugh.
Push it over.
guys give NG Slot a bad time about tipping. You know, we were watching that. Steve will do it, you know, with Taylor and the boys, and they didn't tip once, and they went on like a $400,000
Bring your
screw.
bet down a little bit. over
You
there.
guys give Mr.
1,500.
or NG Slot a hard time.
I used to have 6.
$10 consolation prize. Stand by.
Oh, 10. Whoa.
Big.
No.
Yeah, you can hit 12.
21. What a suck. He's getting hammered.
And you.
I know. I gotta go take a break and cool off, guys. Good luck to you. Thank you.
How you doing?
All right,
There.
Christina, show me that burn card. All right, Christina, $5,000 in the single.
No
handed
way. Oh my god.
Yes. Please just a 10. No, no, no.
There we
Nice.
go, we busted.
Dude,
There we go.
oh
So
my
it's good luck
gosh.
getting Christina in here. $5,000 on that single hand of blackjack. Rivers Casino and Displays.
That was needed. But I say he's back? I don't think so, but Taylor did that. Taylor, if you guys watched the last video, Taylor put down two $25,000 hands, man. Oh my gosh. Ballsy moves. 9. 15.
There we go.
Plus. Sometimes those Hail Marys, man, they pay off. But dude, when they hit, they hit hard.
Casino and Displays.
Hurts. 5, 11, 20. Oh, damn. I like how she put that to the side.
2,500 on the single hand. Cheryl, come on.
Well, at least it's not loud.
14 bust. Dang. I don't blame him.
I don't double?
I don't blame
Yeah,
him.
what are you talking about? All the time, yeah. It's all real money, yeah.
Yeah, they don't let fake money in this casino, sweetheart.
All right,
Who
1,500
just
on
said
the
that?
single
Is
hand.
it fake money?
Ah, maybe it's time to run
Dang,
away
dude.
from this thing.
I don't blame him.
Just kidding. 1,500 again.
He's trying everything. I'd like to see him go to 2 hands.
Make me double it.
Yo, can we get a reshuffle?
Big, big, big.
Bus. Oh my gosh.
Tina's a winner.
Wow.
All right, we're going to do it again, back to back.
No
And
way.
back to back.
It started off bad and it just got worse.
Out of 5. All right, 19, we'll take
Oh
it.
my god.
All right, let's do it again. Switching it up. It's not a good bet, though. $3,000 on a single hand. All the 10s are gone.
This is a big double. What do you say? Was this a $3,000 hand?
All right, so we have $3,000 out there. Terrible. How much I could have done now?
Brutal.
Couldn't have done much to change that.
Brutal is what the proper word is. I don't know if this is
All
going to
right,
help.
1,500 a hand by 2 hands.
I don't know. I think it's one too late. I'm trying to keep positive attitudes here. 27, 16. Okay. Whew.
We got it. Beautiful. So we're actually 1, 2, 3, 4, $5.
Hey, that's a winner. He wasn't coming.
All right, $1,000 a hand, 2 hands. Oh, you gotta.
What would that trip?
That would have paid 90 to 1 on this one.
Can't win if you don't play.
And 9 to 1 on the other one.
That dude. What's happening?
Yeah, 1 hand. I think all the 10s are gone, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna double this 11 against a 3, $1,500 double. We got a 19
He would have had
and a 20.
Dude, what is happening?
Single hand, $5 grand.
means you have to get 3 sevens of the same suit to win that. No.
Busted! $5,000 hand again, Cheryl. You didn't even see it. Winner!
I was entertaining your fans. They were asking questions. I had
It's so weird. I want to go look off to the other screen because I'm so used to my dual screens.
All right, tilting.
I see that.
Hey, if you guys want to stay till the end of the video, I'll tell you guys a little story
And
about
now
what
I get
happened.
this. That would have been funny, another 10.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's busy working.
No, thank you.
Is that a
Gross.
just a one? Okay.
I will pass on that. 2
No, again.
I'll take 5 black. Oh, we'll wait. We'll do it next time. Now the 10.
Gosh.
500 again.
8. What is happening here?
You could not have any more 10s.
Oh my god.
Purple, please.
Changing 500.
All right, 3 hands. We go $1,000 per hand.
Wow. Whoa.
All right, doubling the 10.
Shocker.
Busted, all right. I was trying to figure out if I would have had 3 of
I mean, that's.
7s, but it only would pay.
You say that's a great win, but dude,
Let's go for it.
nothing bad to worse.
5 on the rest.
All right, $1,000 a hand by 3 hands.
Come on. Yeah.
Queen?
We're not getting sidetracked.
All right, we got a blackjack, 1,500, doubling our 10. No made hands. Busted, all right. 3,000 more coming up.
Nice little swing there.
There.
Rivers Casino at this point. split it.
She's saying no. It's not.
Don't be a 10. That would have been another split.
Yeah, and it would have been a disaster.
All right, we broke even on that.
No, you won't. Oh, no, you broke
It would have been 4 splits. I would have been splitting 4
Yeah,
times. So
it
here,
would've been-
let's see what would have happened.
No, yeah, no.
Oh no, I wouldn't have been. No, I wouldn't have been. Oh yeah, well, I think I would have. I would have split another. Yeah.
It's always that woulda, coulda.
Another one, same one.
Are you kidding me? You get blackjack.
Oh.
God.
I was playing it all day before.
I'm surprised he hasn't gone. I'm surprised he hasn't gone all in yet.
Stay on that.
The wins don't even feel good.
$1,000. Yeah.
I think he's only got about $5,000 left.
Haven't had in a while.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'm playing that all day, and then I don't get it at all, and now it comes.
Get you that 20.
Yep. Yeah, 1,500 on a single hand. Here we go. We're gonna call that a session. I'm actually dead nuts even. Here's $15,000, $20,000. Broke even. Crazy bets here. Rivers Casino Display.
How is that even
Thumbs up on the way
possible?
out. Make sure you do follow, subscribe. If you want to get notifications for all of the surprise lives I do.
Yeah, go to Mr. Handpay's channel. I just don't know how he was able to come back. That just looked like an over and over and over issue. Thanks for staying along with me, guys. And if you are here till the end, so Houston. If you look at Houston as a map, you know, in a geographical explanation that I'm gonna. Oh my God, I can't even talk. If you look at Houston and you pull out the map and you look at it as it is, I'm gonna hold it in reverse. So you have the coast down here, right, and it goes down to Mexico, and I'm doing it in reverse for you guys. So here in Houston, you have all the suburbs down here. But if you go to the upper side here, like in the Cypress area, we live in this area, and what happened is there was a hurricane called derecho, which I believe means left in Spanish. Derecho. No, izquierda. Derecho, I think is straight. Derecha, izquierda. Yeah, I think it's straight. Anyway, two tornadoes, 110 miles an hour. Neighbors had trees falling on the roofs. Thank God we didn't have anything happen to us. But our power has been out since Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we're on Sunday. So we've had to relocate, move everything around, and this is where we're at. So, but at least, this is the dedication that I had to you guys. Thanks for sticking along with me. And I'll try to pump out one more today. If I can't, we'll be back to normal schedule tomorrow. But it's going to be like this until I can get back to the house and get the studio all back set up. So that being said, you guys, I love you. Like, subscribe like always, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. See ya.